Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll to find the personalizations. Now let's tap on the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from static wallpapers and also live wallpapers, so it's up to you. I will pick the static ones. Let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some further options from which we can choose, and in order to check the preview just tap on it. And as you can see it will be immediately applied to the full screen, so if you like it just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And wait a second. And now we can go back, and as you can see it has been immediately applied to the home screen and for sure on the lock screen also. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO Reno8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.